Hello guys, this is Glock 48. It comes with a box, polymer box. Ito pong Glock 48 ay Slim Series. Para siyang Glock 19. Ang pinagkaiba lang is 10 rounder siya na single, parang 1911. Pero merong guys yung tinatawag na 15 rounder out of the market, out from the box na magazine na pwedeng mag-fit dito. Yun yung next video ko, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong magazine na yon. So it comes with two magazines and of course the cleaning rod and the cleaning brush. Ito po yung brush, yan. And then feeder. Okay? Anyway, hindi mare-release yung unit mo pag wala kang LTAP at hindi naka-register. So ito, firearm registration muna pag na-print. So pag dide-deliver namin sa inyo, it comes with the firearm registration. So, ang gagamitin bala is Armscore. Road test natin. Capacity nito is 10 rounds. Para siyang Glock 43X. Ito kasi mas mahaba siya ng ganyan, half inch sa Glock 43X. So yun, mas compact siya, mas magandang i-carry. Actually ito for concealed carry, mas maganda. Meron siyang rail, front serration, rear serration. Tapos yung sight niya guys, white. Pwede mong palitan yan ng may optic. So, front test natin. Of course guys, if you go for a shooting, meron kang eye protector and ear protector or ear muff. So ito guys, tingnan nyo yung recoil. So, yun po. Thank you guys. Next video.